Hello, in this video we're going to look at a monopolist that has 3 production plants that it can produce its output from. A monopoly faces a market demand for its product of the following. Price equals 51 minus Q divided by 2,000. Its marginal revenue will be the price equation with a slope that is twice as steep. So instead of Q over 2,000, it's going to be Q over 1,000. And the firm has 3 production facilities, 3 production plants, each with a different marginal cost. Plant 1, Plant 2, and Plant 3. So the marginal cost associated with producing this product in one of 3 plants. Our goal is to find how much output should the firm produce from each plant. We're going to solve for the firm level marginal cost by summing up the 3 marginal costs from each plant. So first we're going to solve each plant's marginal cost for Q. For plant 1, here's the marginal cost equation. We're going to solve it for Q subscript 1. Doing that, we get this equation. For plant 2, we have the marginal cost for plant 2. We're going to solve that for Q subscript 2. Solving this equation for Q subscript 2, we get this result. And finally, plant 3's marginal cost, we will solve that for Q, in this case Q subscript 3. And doing that, we get this equation. So just rewriting those equations. And now we're going to add them up. Okay, we're going to get a firm level Q. Firm level of output will equal Q subscript 1 through Q subscript 3. And as we found, Q subscript 1 is 1,000 MC minus 2,000, and so on. Simplifying, we have this result. Now we're going to solve the above equation for marginal cost, and that'll give us marginal cost at the firm level. So solving this Q equation for MC, we get this result. We have our marginal revenue and now our marginal cost. Let's set MR equal to MC. And we're going to solve for the firm level of output. Subtracting 1 from both sides and then moving this minus Q over 1,000 to the right-hand side. Getting a common like denominator here. Just rewriting that last result. Multiplying through by 3,000 and dividing through by 4. The firm will produce almost 40,000 units of output, 37,500. And let's just find out what marginal revenue will be at that level of output. So plugging this 37,500 into the marginal revenue equation, we see that marginal revenue is $13.50. We're going to set marginal revenue of $13.50 equal to each plant's marginal cost. Remember, again, we're trying to find out how much output each plant should produce. Here's the marginal cost for the first plant. We'll set the left-hand side equal to marginal revenue of $13.50. And now we're going to solve for Q subscript 1. In plant 1, we'll produce 11,500 units. Setting marginal revenue equal to marginal cost for plant 2. Solving for the output in plant 2, we get 12,500 units. And doing a similar thing for plant 3, marginal revenue equals marginal cost, we get 13,500 units. So the total level of output, output from plant 1, plant 2 plus plant 3 gets us back to that 37,500 we found earlier. To get the market price, plug this 37,500 into the firm's inverse market demand. Simplify, we get a price of $32.25. Okay, I will stop here.